This question is from GATE 2018 Mechanical Engineering Paper Set 2, question number 16. Metal removal in electric discharge machining takes place through option A, ion displacement, option B, melting and vaporization, option C, corrosive reaction, or option D, plastic shear. Let's find out. So EDM or electro discharge machining, it's a metal fabrication process that is characterized by the following. First thing, electric sparks are being used to obtain a desired shape. These sparks are between two electrodes. These electrodes are separated by a dielectric fluid in between and they are subjected to electric voltage. The heat that is produced by these electric sparks will melt and vaporize the workpiece that causes the removal of material from the surface of the workpiece. So we got our answer. Melting and vaporization are the two main causes of material removal in case of electro discharge machining. Let's go back and mark the correct option. Answer is in option B. Metal removal in electric discharge machining takes place through melting and vaporization. Corrosive reaction, plastic shear and ion displacement are associated with other types of machining like electrochemical machining or abrasive jet machining or some conventional methods. So here the answer is melting and vaporization. To learn more about the various types of machining, you can refer to the NPTEL video lecture 38 electrochemical machining from the course lecture series on manufacturing processes 2. The course is by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.